everyone, and welcome to KYE Talks. I am Sonal Ambekar, your host for this interview. Know Your Entrepreneur is a digital platform where we talk to several entrepreneurs who tell us why they chose not to be stuck to the regular 9 to 5 and went ahead to do something different. They went ahead and chased their passion. Our guest today is Reema Sunil. She is a chartered accountant with an expertise in finance and accounting. She has worked with leading brands across industries such as Ernst& Young, Wockhardt, Otis Elevator, and Pidilite. In the last 12 years, Reema moved out from her mainstream career purely out of a personal aspiration in order to promote affordable healthcare services in India. She co-founded Health Novo with Abhay Deshpande and is responsible for overall execution of the operations along with developing finance and marketing strategies. So a little bit about Health Novo. It is a one-stop solution for one's primary medical needs. Health Novo pushes one to walk the first mile of their health journey by bringing the most convenient way to track their medical needs, facilitate medical expertise, rapid diagnostic testing, and paramedical services to their pockets, to them in a pocket-friendly way. This unique concept is being introduced in the market by ex-corporate employees, only to remove the pain points experienced while availing primary medical needs, which is such a thoughtful concept going ahead these days. Let's know more about Health Novo and Reema herself. Hi, Reema. Welcome to KYE Talks.
Hi, Sonal. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's a pleasure, ma'am. So tell us, Reema, tell us what motivated you into being an entrepreneur and starting Health Novo.
So I think it is always, my personal aspiration to do something or to create some value in my life as well as in others. And when I was working with corporates, I think that satisfaction, that contentment was not there.
Right.
And I think that was the only reason that I decided to, move from my corporate career and do something which actually can make me feel that I'm doing something really right. Yeah. That was the only thing.
No, it's also adding value to the society. It's something that was needed for a long time, but sadly wasn't available. That's wonderful. Yes. So, Reema, what would you say gives you a sense of accomplishment? As you, what gets you going every morning that, oh, I'm waking up to achieve this today. I've achieved this yesterday. Today I'm going to achieve this. वो कहते हैं ना kick मिलता है कुछ करने से. That is why you keep doing it, like you feel like doing it. That is why we say, right, following your passion is doing what you love most. So what would you say gives you that sense of accomplishment?
So honestly, Sonal, it's been 11 months that I'm in this role of budding entrepreneur. Right. And every day when I get to see that my work is adding value in others' life, it gives me a different kind of kick. So there are challenges right now, but I find it that I can deal with it, provided, the outcome of it is making others' life better.
Right.
So when I see somebody walking out of Health Novo clinic very happy and satisfied, I think that is the kind of a thing which gives me a kick to go on every day.
Yeah, wonderful. So since you said that there are challenges and barriers, my next question is on the same note that as you started off, you may have faced certain challenges and barriers and obstacles because every new startup has to face those barriers. That is how you grow. So what was the challenges that you faced and how did you and Mr. Abhay get over those things?
So particularly for me, I come from a background where there are no entrepreneurs in my family. Okay. So this is completely new setup and we started from scratch. Right. And especially we started up in pandemic period when, the COVID was at the peak.
Right.
So that was the time that we decided to incorporate Health Novo and start our services. So to be very honest, everything was challenging. Everyone was operating from home. Right. So, getting everyone on board, interacting with them, conveying them about your ideas, about your thoughts. Right. I mean, these were the main challenges. And then come the execution. So during the execution also, since everything was under lockdown, we faced a lot of problems on that front too. But somehow one thing which I learned is if you've got passion to do it and if you've got the right people hired to do the work for you, I think your life becomes very easy and the entire project becomes successful.
Right.
So yeah.
Wonderful. So since you mentioned about COVID, I was going to ask you that since your company is related to health and that is one crisis right now going on around the globe. So how did you cope with COVID? Because it must have been so difficult to get people to trust you as a medical service provider, right? Because it was such an uncertain time for people to trust into anyone. So how was it? How would you say your journey around COVID was? You mentioned some of it, but if you can give us a little bit more insight on it.
Yeah, so I'll tell you what exactly Health Novo is into. So what we do is we set up a primary healthcare center wherein we make doctor available for the consultation in person for the healthcare consumer. Right. At the same time, we are coming up with a technology called Health ATM. So this Health ATM is basically a machine which actually looks like your monetary ATM, but which is equipped to do around 140 different kinds of tests in just 5 to 10 minutes.
Wow.
And the result provided to you then and there in just 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. And then this clinic is also combined with the generic pharmacy store. So the user who walks into this clinic gets the 360-degree solution to his medical problem then and there. Typically, you would get a prescription from the doctor for the medicine and from the diagnostic test, and then the user will go to these two different tests.
Right.
And then maybe after 24 to 48 hours, again, he will come back to the GP and he'll sit and he'll get the guidance. Right. So our idea was, what if we can reduce the time, okay? And secondly, how we can, make users' life easy by providing all these services at one stop. And the beauty of it is that all the services are available to him at a very minimum cost.
Right.
That our doctor consultation starts from ₹75.
Wow.
Diagnostic test price also start with ₹50, etc. And the generic medicine price, as you must be aware, they are already at a discounted rate than the branded medicine, up to the 70 to 80%. So again, it's when we say that it is a pocket friendly, we mean that the user gets quality because this is at an affordable rates.
Right.
So during pandemic, Sonal, what we observed that, as it is, people were not allowed to get out of their house.
Right.
Another thing which we notice is, what if we combine these services with the digital, mode?
Right.
So people who are tech savvy, or right now everyone is very comfortable using smartphones.
Right.
All you have to do is just download the Health Novo app and then connect to our clinic and avail this kind of services. So that option is also available. Yeah. And another important thing which I would like to mention here is all this medical records, prescription, your reports, your medicine prescriptions, they are available to you in a digital format. Yeah. So after 1 month also, you can just look back, go through your records and know that, you had taken this medicine, this treatment was prescribed, etc.
Easy to keep track.
Yes. Right. Yeah. So basically your digital health wallet is getting ready through this, when you visit our clinic. So pandemic, as it is, when there were a lot of restriction on the movement of people. Right. So we just wanted to make sure that, people get the quality services in a minimum time and at affordable rates.
Right. So, I mean, being a host and interviewing entrepreneurs, the one thing that I've learned is entrepreneurship, or being an entrepreneur, is all about innovation. How you can bring something new to the market, something that is needed but no one has thought of. And this new concept that you mentioned about Health ATM, like a monetary ATM, it does tests and gives you results within 3-4 minutes. That is something that I feel is that it hits that same note that this was needed, but no one had thought of it. And it's so innovative that once it gains space, it's going to be like the new, like orange is the new black. It's going to be like that. That's going to be the trend of, going ahead. And future generations are going to adapt to this new way of diagnosing what health problems they have, or
in the market there are right now a lot of such solutions which we call it as point of care solutions.
Okay.
So basically,
sorry, what did you say? What are they called?
It is called as point of care technology solutions.
Point of care. Okay.
For example, during pandemic, you must have seen that everyone was using this SpO2 measurement unit, right?
Right.
Yeah. So, I mean, that device was there earlier also, but nobody was using it.
There was no awareness. Right.
There was a push because, pandemic happened. Yeah. So there are many such medical devices which you can use it if the right amount of awareness is created around it.
Right.
Because basically intention is to create such awareness and promote such medical devices, just like Health ATM. So Health ATM basically gives the indicative screening report, but at least user at the first level is aware that what exactly is happening with his body, right?
Right.
Simple thing like what is your hemoglobin level or what are your cholesterol levels, etc. So that is the thing which Health Nova wants to promote at this time, at this point.
So it's stirred my curiosity that you are a chartered accountant by education. How did you get involved in these medical things? Like, how were you drawn towards this?
So I think a lot of credit goes to my co-founder Abhay Deshpande, because we used to work together in Wockhardt. And from there, we used to discuss a lot of such projects where, we could always, we always used to discuss how can we make others' lives easy.
Right.
Because stakeholders in the pharma companies, because we both worked in a pharma company. So we always used to discuss, the medicine prices are so high, the health, other services are priced at very high. So how can we reduce these prices and how can we make this affordable for the masses? And I think all during this discussion we came across such option where we can curate a clinic for the masses where they can just be comfortable, walk in and get those services. So I would say, Sonal, it is purely a brainstorming session with your friends and family and observing what is happening around you.
What's needed? Right. Wonderful. I mean, the journey, the way it started and how it progresses ahead, that says a lot about you as an entrepreneur. Not being an expert in this field, yet making sure you're reaching the needs of people, who would avail such services. That makes you an entrepreneur, because that means that even though you're not an expert in that field, you're learning as you grow. You're learning and you're trying to do your best. Wonderful. So, Rima, tell me, what do you feel are the factors that will help you achieve your business aspirations going ahead?
So going ahead, our focus is always on identifying such innovative point of care solution which can help our business in providing this affordable medical services. And right now, another focus point is that how can we reach out to masses in a minimal time, so that the benefit is passed on to the end users quickly.
I think the answer is in digitalization. I think everything these days is getting easier because of digitalization, right?
Yeah. So, but when it comes to healthcare, so the one thing which we observe is user get comfort. They get a lot of comfort when they actually sit with a doctor and the doctor explains.
When it's one-to-one, right?
It's a one-to-one interaction. And that's why Health Novo is going in a hybrid model.
Right.
For example, you have first mile clinic wherein you can just walk in, meet our doctor and get that comfort. But at the same time, you have a digital mode also wherein you can avail services.
When you are unable to reach out to the doctor, go to the doctor. You also can do it digitally. Wonderful. So, Rima, how would you say this venture has changed you as a person? Because it's a journey. Entrepreneurship is a journey. And each journey teaches us a lot. So how would you say what you have learned and how has it changed you as a person?
So honestly, last 11 months are completely like a roller coaster, right? But I must say that it's like you becoming a mother, I would say.
Yeah,
because
your own company.
Baby. Yeah, because you are raising a baby. Right. And in this process, you have to micromanage everything. You have to think a lot of things, bring everyone together and, push the team towards the common goal. But I would say that last 11 months have made me more of a empathetic and I think active listener. So
Wow.
I tend to focus on my interactions a lot. I want to understand what exactly the end consumers are thinking about this. What are their further requirements, so that we can work towards that. So I think more and more active listening is happening on my front.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So this is my last question, Rima. What would you say to the budding entrepreneurs out there? People who may have an idea, but they're too scared to take that leap of faith or take that first step. How would you encourage them in your own words?
I would just tell them one thing, that take that first step.
Yeah.
And things will be all right. In my case also, Sonal, I observed that taking that first step was the only challenge initially.
Right.
But once you decide that you're going to make difference to yourself as well as in others, I think rest of things fall in place. So I would just say to budding entrepreneurs, take that first step and see how things work out for you.
Wonderful, wonderful, Rima. Thank you so much for coming here, sharing your entrepreneurial journey with us and our viewers, and for this wonderful concept of Health Novo that you started, these health ATMs. I am looking forward to seeing health ATMs around me as well, so I can also avail these services. All the best to you and Health Novo. To our viewers, I'd like to say that we will be tagging down below everything related to Health Novo, their sites and where you can reach them out. We will be tagging them down below in the description box. Please do go and check it out because they are doing a wonderful work. Thank you, Rima, for joining us here on KYE Talks.
Thank you, Sonal. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.